Honda Civic. Caliper bolt is 12 millimeter. The pins on this side are not seized. What I'm gonna do is, yeah, right. If I can get the socket on there, zip it. I just set it like that.
Okay.
All right. I am still gonna grease up the pins. I gotta start doing that with Google. Facebook, there's nowhere near an issue. All right, let me figure out how much.
You got a Facebook too?
A couple of them.
Okay, I didn't look into that, so I was like, oh, what else does he do?
Ain't nothing to see.
Flushes. It's good to know.
All right.
If I need to get something done.
All right. So we're gonna beat the old brake pads out. I have no idea what these are, where they came from, or where they were made.
Neither do I. We're on there since I got the car.
Which tells me nothing.
Yep, exactly.
But we do still have meat on these, but you want some change. Compress the piston. Make sure you use an old brake pad. Let me see one of them.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright. Gonna push this back in. You guys might not be able to see that good. I've inspected a few other items on this and everything else is fine. Nothing busted or broken.
Hey, chill out.
He is going to look for something, don't know what it is. But I guess we'll find out here directly. Alright, so use your brake clean. I'm going to spray this rotor down. What I should have did. Still do it, no big deal. Get the hardware off. Looks like a horror movie in there. Alright. Get my brush out. Clean those off as much as possible. Alright. Get the inside of the rotor. Come back here. Kind of spray in the back of that to get that rotor cleaned off in the back. Should have did this a minute ago and I keep forgetting. Clean off your inner caliper with a brush. All that brake dust is coming off there. There was a good bit of dust in this. Alright, let that dribble off there. Now what I'm gonna do is get these guide pins out of here. Oh yeah. little baby flashlight.
Yeah.
Hey, it's better than nothing. Yeah, these came out successfully on the first try. So what I'm gonna do is throw some grease on these, some silicone, courtesy of Amazon. Knocked my head off with the fender there. You saw that, I know you did. It just boink.
I was like, how'd he do that?
They just kind of boink.
It's all good.
Alright, make sure these are good and lubed up.
So I don't have to issue on the passenger side.
Yeah. Shoot. You know what I didn't do? I'm gonna take that back out. I'm out of brake clean on that one. Heads up. I didn't mean to cut in there. Can these come out or off, or are they? No, I'm not even gonna bother because it'll be a headache and a half getting them back in. All right. Get those clean inside there. Now I'll come back and I'll re-grease this. I do it the same way every time. See y'all pushing that fluid out of there?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I wanted. Ooh, hello. That was a lot. Man, that squirted.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good to go. He's over here dying because of what I just said.
Yeah.
I'll look over and he's just...
Words.
This is not going to be my most professional brake job on camera. It is not. Professionalism on site, yes. On camera, obviously not.
That's close enough.
Alright. There we go. We'll just call that the jugular. Which doesn't sound much better, but... Ooh, that's...
What's up?
Alright. There we go. Yeah. Much better. Right. I've already cleaned off your hardware surface. Oh my.
Yeah, he's going nuts. See that?
I'm gonna get that cleaned off as much as possible. Take your anti-seize lube, the good stuff. And I'm gonna go from the outside in because I don't want to touch that rotor. And I haven't. Woohoo. Alright, and I'm still gonna lube up the pad ears. Is that on there? Yes, it is. Alright. So, your squealer goes on the inside as always. No questions asked. Came across, what was that the other day? Oh, I was in another state doing a brake job, if that's what you want to call it. Come to find out, somebody put the brake pads on wrong.
Ooh.
The squealer was on the outside.
Yeah, I saw some weird stuff on YouTube where they actually cut off the squealer and put them on backwards.
Yeah,
and stuff.
don't do that. That's unprofessional. I've never done that, and I won't. Somebody didn't buy the right brake pads is all it was. Right. That's on successfully.
Look at that baby.
Huh?
I said, look at that baby.
Yeah.
Clean.
Alright. Go slip your outer brake pad in. Alright. Now, I'm going to spray down the rotor one more time. All that's going to do is just disintegrate into thin air. Alright, that's good. Now we're going to get the caliper back on. Caliper has been cleaned up on the inside. Piston's been compressed. And I'm going to get these threaded. Yeah, that was going in wrong. Was. And we're going to impact these back in. Now, one thing I want to point out. Usually I got a bunch of gobbledygook falling down in this gap. That, you know, older vehicles, because I look for that when I impact. Just shake, rattle, and roll it loose again. I'm not seeing that. And this wheel's now done.
Thank you for watching.